Mr.Eugenio from CE2A, and today I'm going to discuss the two types of sampling techniques. So dito sa sampling techniques, may mga i-consider tayo which is yung population and sample. So yung population talks about the entirety or the wholeness of the group, including the members that provides a set of data. So kapag sinabi nating population, siya yung entirety o yung kabuuang bilang ng group na pinagkuhanan natin ng data. Halimbawa, isang buong school, isang barangay, isang city, and so on. So dito naman sa sample, it contains a few members of population. They were taken to represent the characteristics or traits of the whole population. So kapag sinabi nating sample, kumukuha lang tayo ng few members or sample mula sa population. Our main purpose here ay makakuha ng sample na magre-represent sa characteristics and traits ng buong population. Meaning, yung response or result na makukuha natin sa sample ay sila yung gagamiting representation ng buong population. For example, sa isang city na may thousands of residents, kaya tayo kumukuha ng sample is to minimize our time and efforts kasi mahihirapan tayong i-interpret ang characteristic ng isang large population kapag kukunin natin lahat ng members nito to participate in our study. So, alamin naman natin what is sampling techniques. It is a statistical procedure that is mainly concerned with the selection of the individual observation known as the sample. So, ito naman ay tumutukoy sa methods or paraan kung paano tayo kumukuha ng sample sa isang population. So, it is important na bago tayo kukuha ng data, ay dapat tama ang gagamitin nating sampling techniques na nakadepende sa objectives ng ating study. So, we have a lot of techniques sa pagkuha ng sample, pero magfo-focus lang tayo dito sa two main types of sampling techniques, which is the probability and non-probability sampling. Each one has their own advantage depende sa goal ng ating study. So, what is probability sampling? In probability sampling, every member of the population has the chance of being selected based on randomization. It avoids bias in selection to give all members a fair chance. So dito, lahat ng members ay may equal chance to be part of the study. It means fair ang laban, walang bias, walang lamangan, because it uses the principle of randomization to get the sample. Ibig sabihin, hindi basta-bastang kinukuha ang mga sample dahil may sinusunod itong process of this type of techniques. Whatever you are, regardless of your status, ay pwede kang mapili or pwede kang mabigyan ng chance na maging isang sample. For example, in a population of 100 members, every members will have a 1/100 chance of being part of the sample. So, bawat member ay may chance na maging part ng study. Next is, in a classroom, every student has the chance of being called in the recitation. So, dun sa isang classroom, bawat estudyante ay may possibility or may probability na matawag ng teacher sa recitation. Next is the non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling, not every member of the population has the equal chance of being selected. Mostly rely on the subjective judgment of the researcher. So dito kasi hindi tayo aasa dun sa probability. Kasi hindi lahat ng members ay may equal chance na mapili. Kasi maraming factors ang kino-consider dito. For example is yung location. Kapag nasa liblib akong lugar ay pwedeng hindi ako maging part. Nagiging subjective ang ating researcher because nasa kanya ang control and authority sa pagpili ng sample kasi it's either magdedepende siya sa kanyang preference or the convenience and availability of the members. So in this type of techniques ay mas mabilis tayong makakabuo ng ating sample, but the disadvantage of this ay mahirapan tayong i-present yung proportion ng ating population since wala tayong sinunod na process sa pagpili ng sample, and aside from that, magkakaroon ng limitation yung ating magiging conclusion and findings dun sa ating study. So for example, places that are not possible to reach will be excluded to participate in the study. So yung mga nasa liblib na lugar ay pwede na nilang tanggalin or hindi na nila binibigyan ng chance para makapag-participate dun sa study. Next is yung a teacher intentionally appointed two students to perform the experiment. So dito yung teacher nag-base lang siya dun sa kanyang beliefs na itong pinili niyang students na ito intentionally ay naniniwala siya na sila lang yung may kakayahang i-perform ng maayos yung experiment. So now, what is the importance of sampling techniques? Every type of research requires a proper sampling techniques depends on its purpose and objectives. So sa pagpili kasi ng sampling techniques, it should be situational. Depende mo dun sa nature ng research study mo kung anong pipiliin mong sampling techniques para maging aligned and compatible sila sa isa't isa. And also, using the most appropriate sampling techniques will reflected on the accuracy of the results of the study. So obviously, kapag tama yung napili mong sampling techniques, mas magiging mataas yung credibility and validity ng mga data na nakolekt mo. So that's it. Thank you.